CR50. The full model number is C32R500FHN, purchased at Walmart. Stands in two pieces, and there's a little cable management clip that goes on the stand, the power adapter, power cable, and HDMI cable. And right behind the styrofoam is the monitor. You see it has the VESA mount, HDMI port, VGA port, power port. Down here is where you connect the stand. Now I have the screws into the base on the bottom so it's nice and tight. And now this allows you to move to adjust the base back and forth a little bit. Move the base onto the post and just tighten it with this wing nut. Right now I'm sharing my large screen between my work and personal laptop. I'm going to buy a KVM switch to make that a lot easier. Now let's take a look at screen splitting. To download Samsung's Easy Settings box software and the monitor driver. This could change, but I'll show you how it is right now. Go to Samsung.com, find support, and like I said, they could relocate this. So find support, product, manuals, and downloads. Select computing, monitors, curved, C32R500FHN, and I'm just selecting the one offered that's closest, and download the software and the drivers. So here's the software. I've installed both. We're going to take a look at the Samsung Easy Settings box software and the built-in Windows 10 Snap Assist. So I've installed the Easy Settings box. You launch it, allow it, select your layout. I would allow these two to remain checked. Just close out. And now I drag and drop any window to the desired location. So down here it shows you a preview outline of where it's going to go. So you can open windows and arrange them as such. Now let's take a look at the Snap Assist settings. Just type the word snap and then open. It's pretty easy to get there. I have it on. You can take a look at these settings and experiment. So let me show you the difference. Select the window and use your Windows key and one of the four directional arrows. So Windows right, Windows down again. See how it snaps it from a half to a quarter? Windows left, Windows up again, back to Windows right. There are many screen management utilities. Another thing you can do is you can play with show windows stacked or show windows side by side. So my personal opinion is if you're happy snapping your screen to half of the monitor or a quarter, the built-in Windows 10 Snap Assist is super easy. It's great. If you need a custom layout, I would use the settings box. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you.